Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my go-to home decor styling tricks that you can use around your home to just instantly elevate the look of your space. If you're having company over or if you just want to refresh the look of your home, I hope this video gives you some ideas that you can use even using items that you already have. So if you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now there's a certain combination of decor pieces that I love to pair together because it just works every single time. So this is for any kind of surface around your home, specifically a console table, a credenza, a dresser, any kind of long cabinet. This is going to work for. I love to use the combination of a table lamp, a vase, and a bowl or a tray. This combination together always works. It creates balance, it creates symmetry without it being too symmetrical, and the heights of everything really work together. I love having a bowl, a tray, or any kind of book stacking together in the middle to create that lower depth. It also creates a gathering space where you can put keys and little trinkets, so that creates some organization. I love having the light bouncing on one side, creating height and brightness, and then having a large floral or greenery display on the other side. That helps balance out the height of your lamp, and together all of those items just seamlessly work. So this can work in any home, in any style, and it's just that simple combination of items that always works. You can use this set of 3 as a base and then add to it and really layer in more items, or you can leave it as is. It always looks great with a mirror, a gallery wall, or any kind of large art piece behind it to really center the entire look. So if you're styling any kind of surface around your home, use this lamp, vase, bowl combo and it will work every single time. A very common everyday item that you might have laying around your home that just sticks out like an eyesore right now, and we can improve that. So that is a box of tissues. These always come in very extreme colors and patterns, and I don't have any purple in my home, so this really stands out if it's just in the middle of a space. So the way to improve that is just with a simple tissue box cover. Look how amazing these are. These are under $10. They slip right over top of your tissue box so that you can still have your tissues out on display, but it really can work within your home color palette. So they have these leather covers in white, black. They have them in multiple colors as well if you really want to stick with a color scheme, or a very neutral beige. Such a simple thing that you can do to elevate that everyday item. So whether this be in a bathroom, a kitchen, a bedroom, or a living room, it looks a little bit more like a decor piece. So that's always the goal, to just step up those everyday items in a very simple way to make them look designer for less. For the most part, when I'm decorating, I like to use practical decor. So I love when a decor piece can also double as storage or double as a game. So for me, practical decor means decorative boxes, decorative checkerboards, decorative canisters, even candles. Candles are something that can act as a large decor piece, but they can also be that practical light and maybe even scent diffusing throughout your home. You're not just sticking pretty things around your home, you're really decorating with purpose. So invest in those pieces around your home that are really going to give you more use. I love having a decorative checkerboard out in our home because it really invites games and activities. It just feels super welcoming, but it also just works with the style of our home. You can also get decorative game boards that act as books on a shelf, so you can really use them for styling as well as your game nights. And then any kind of canister, box, bin, faux books or baskets with a lid always help style your home and create more storage opportunities. Now, if you're an avid reader or you've collected a lot of books over time, maybe you have a ton of books in your kids' rooms or your playroom, your family room or office, think about creating strategic stackings. Stacking books in groups of 2, 3, or 5 always really helps create moments and really creates an intentional styling moment. So instead of just having scattered books or books lined up in a row, create stackings vertically and horizontally to style your space. You can take groupings of books and style coffee tables, any kind of surface around your home, any built-ins, desks. These can be used all around your home. So you can kind of spread them out as long as you have created these strategic stackings. You can group them by color and size to really make them work for you. You can style candles and decor on top and really create height in your decorating with books. So this might be something that you already have around your home that you can just rework to make it look look designers. One thing you can do to really create a designer look on a budget in your home is use florals, greenery, or stems that have very long stems. You really want a sprawling, tall, dynamic look to create that eye-catching feature in your space. Just including that one arrangement with huge sprawling stems will give you a designer look. So it's super budget friendly, it's super easy. If you already have a large vase, go outside to your backyard, take some large clippings, use some large twigs outside, or go for some faux florals to create this designer look. It works every single time. If you have a space around your home that's kind of lacking something and you can't really put your finger on what it is, use a large arrangement like this to take up space, create that height, and create that dynamic look. I love using faux florals because I can really keep that arrangement long term. I can store my florals away, bring them out in the next season. It's just super versatile for me. So I'll link a few of my favorites that I like to use down below in the description box. These have long stems that you can group together and really create that sprawling large look. There's just such a huge difference between small arrangements and large ones, and just with that stem length, you can create that designer look. So go for the long ones, go for those big arrangements to really make a statement. Another intentional grouping that you can create to improve the look of your living room or family room is pillow groupings. Your throw pillows can easily be grouped together to create a designer look, and that is just done with 3 different sized pillows. So if you have various size throw pillows scattered across your house or your sofa, group them together to create intentional groupings. I love to do this with a 20 by 20, with an 18 by 18, and then throw a lumbar pillow across to really finish off that look. That's going to give you this small, medium, large look. It gives you this tiered effect, and the grouping together always looks great. So you can mix pattern and color this way, but the sizes and shapes together always work. If you pair 2 of the same size pillows together, it doesn't complement each other the same way as grouping different size pillows together. So just think about that when you're styling your sectional or your sofa. Pair together 2 different sizes for the best look. Now, when you're styling any decor around your home, always make sure to create tiers. You really want to create that small, medium, large effect so that every item really shines on its own. Nothing feels like it's competing, and that grouping always works really well together. So short items like bowls, candles, coasters, baskets, trays, books, anything that's kind of low in size is a great starting point. Then you can add in tapered candlesticks. You can add in a large floral arrangement. Really creating those tiers will help create a dynamic look. Group things together, stand back, take a look at it, rework it. It all just takes a little bit of time, but creating those intentional diagonal points will really create a designer look around your home. One of my go-to decor pieces around my home in almost every single space is a throw blanket. It's one of those 2-in-1 items that can be used to style and create a lot of comfort in your home. So there's so many different ways of styling them. You'll notice you can instantly kind of tidy up the look of your space if you style your throw blanket. It always helps improve the look of your space if you drape it over your sofa, layer it within your pillows, drape it over the arm of your sofa, or lay it across the shades of your sectional. This always tidies up the look of your home and really makes your decorating and all of your items in your home look really intentionally styled. This is also a great way of kind of hiding any damage or wear that's happening on your furniture. So if you have pets or you're noticing a stain, you can cover that up with a throw blanket super quickly. So use it to your advantage to create a designer look around your home without putting much effort in. There's also something about styling a basket with a throw blanket kind of overflowing out of it. This really creates a cozy environment. It feels ready to use, it feels inviting, and it just feels super comfortable. And lastly, when you're furnishing or styling your home, remember that not everything needs to be the focal point. Some items can slip into the background and be used as filler, so you don't have to put too much pressure on finding all the exact pieces that you need for your home. I think sometimes people get decision-making paralysis when it comes to decorating and picking furniture because there's just too much pressure on each item. If you really find one piece that you really love, go for more neutral items around that piece so that it really stands out on its own. If you have too many things that are kind of competing against each other, too many patterns, too many colors, everything looks like it's trying to be the focal point. I use this mindset when I'm styling shelving because that's a big undertaking to find a bunch of decor pieces that are going to work together. So I don't put as much pressure behind each specific piece. Not every item needs to be my favorite or the best or perfect in any way. Together, all the pieces can work in harmony. That might be old books, random vases, thrifted decor. On their own, they're nothing special, but together it can all look really nice. So just take the pressure off of finding all of those perfect items because you can really style anything in your little groupings to work together. So not everything needs to be the focal point. Really take a step back and find that one important piece in your space. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas that you can use around your home to just instantly make it feel designer. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!